Hello, I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this used vehicle. It's my pleasure to introduce to you this mini hatch 1.5 Cooper Sport Euro 6, the exterior painted in black with shiny chrome accents. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5 litre petrol engine with a manual gearbox, so you know this vehicle definitely has something to offer. Notable exterior features of this vehicle include those iconic British taillights, which really help this car stand out against the crowd, along with the John Cooper Works 5-spoke alloy wheels that really add to the car's exterior. You'll be glad to know that all 4 wheels are fitted with run-flat tyres. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, the boot space is practical with enough storage for your weekly shopping, small suitcases and other miscellaneous items. Rear passengers can enjoy stylish and comfortable mixed upholstery seats with enough room for 3 passengers. Another great feature for your passengers is the shared rear cup holder, along with anchor points for safe transport with the little ones. At the front of the cabin, you'll find plenty of storage and amenities. The front seats are of mixed upholstery and offer cushioned extended support, as well as being fully adjustable to suit every individual's needs. The driver gets to benefit from a great multifunction steering wheel, which is capable of controlling the driving mode, the connected telephone, along with a whole host of settings all from the digital dash. The centre benefits from an easy-to-use multifunctional media system, which allows users to enjoy and control the FM DAB radio, various vehicle settings and insights, along with the currently selected driving mode to ensure the vehicle is always suiting your needs. And best of all, this vehicle benefits from parking sensors to help you manoeuvre into those tricky spots. The dual air conditioning is easily controlled from just underneath the media system display by use of stylish chrome effect dials and buttons. Above your head, you'll find some great and convenient features such as reading lights and an emergency SOS call button. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.